Yo, what's up, Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a vampire. I'm really excited. I hope you guys are as well. We're going to be drawing a lot of spooky things with Halloween right around the corner. Now, one more thing, if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Awesome. Well, let's go get down to the drawing. Let's go see what we can come up with. So for the first step in making our vampire, we're going to begin by making a big circular-like shape for the head. Now next to the head that we just made, we're going to make a couple C-like shapes for the ears on each side. Now the little shape we're about to make above the left ear will be part of our vampire's cape. Now down below on the left hand side, we're going to make the second part of our vampire's cape. Awesome, now a little over to the right, we're going to begin to make the torso as well as the legs and feet for our vampire. Now moving a little bit more over to the right, we're going to make the second part of our vampire's cape. Now our vampire will appear to have one arm inside of his cape as well as one arm sticking out. Now we're going to begin to make the arm that will be sticking out. My vampire will only have 4 fingers, but if you want to give your vampire 5, that's completely okay as well. Now for detail to the torso, I'm going to give my vampire a tie. Now once we have added the detail to the torso, we have to move up and add squiggly lines to the ears as well as a hairline for the head. Now, as you most likely already know, almost every single vampire that I've ever seen has fangs. So we're going to give our vampire some fangs. Fantastic. Now, above those fangs that we just made, we have to give our vampire a nose. Now, once we have completed the nose, we have to give our vampire eyes. This is How to Draw a Vampire. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now let's go color in our vampire together.